Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing a simple recipe for all the sweet tooth out there, which is strawberry ice cream sprinkled with chocolates. Yum! These are the ingredients that you are going to need. Firstly, we are going to shave the chocolate bar using a knife. So, the three main ingredients that you are going to need is whipping cream, condensed milk, and also strawberry jam that I made. To make the strawberry jam, add 3 cups of strawberries into a pot with 1/4 cup of sugar. On a medium-low heat, mash the strawberries using a potato smasher. Let it simmer while stirring constantly to avoid it from getting burned. When the mixture coats the spatula like this, turn off the heat and pour it into a bowl to let it cool. Save some strawberries to dice it into cubes. So we are going to whip up whipping cream now. So the tip to whip cream is you need to chill it, and the whipped cream must be cold so that it can fluff up. And the second tip is you start out slow to build up the bubble so that it can incorporate while slowly increasing the speed. Caution, don't overmix the whipped cream as it will separate the fat content of it. Then now we're going to mix the strawberry and the condensed milk. Give the mixture a mix until it is well combined. Next, this is a crucial step. We need to fold in the strawberry jam mixture into the whipped cream. Make sure to mix it in a figure 8 motion, as this will ensure minimal volume loss of the whipped cream. So, you just need to continue until the mixture is well combined. Remember not to use all the strawberry jam, as we will need it for garnishing later on. Pour out the mixture into your desired container halfway and add the diced strawberry and shaved chocolate. Repeat the same process until the container is full. Pour some of the saved strawberry jam on top and make a marble effect with a stick or chopstick. Place a plastic cover on top of the ice cream. This will help to prevent ice droplets from forming on your ice cream. Put it in the freezer for at least 4 hours or overnight. Tada! It's done! Scoop out your desired amount into a glass bowl. Hope you try out this simple ice cream recipe so that you can enjoy this with all your beloved family members and friends. Lastly, top it off by sprinkling some shaved chocolate and strawberry jam. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.